about to start doing reviews. Cause y'all food really be ass. And y'all don't really know where the fuck to go. I just went to Bird Code. This motherfucking cheese, the mac and cheese, alright. I really don't like cheese like that no more. That's alright though. With a little hot sauce, motherfucker, whatever the fuck. I had got the hot honey sandwich. This motherfucker done fell apart. Don't. This shit, the crust done fell apart. What the fuck? I'm hungry as fuck though. That motherfucker sliding up out of that. Bird Code, hot honey, mid 6.2. Bye.